Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create variants in Penpot. Okay. So first off, you'd want to go ahead and click on a component. All right. For example, a button or an icon or even a page. For example, this one. I'm just going to click on it. Okay. And once it's highlighted, you'll want to go ahead and press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Okay. And it will be added, or a variant will be added. There you go. Now another option, for example, this page right here, I'm going to right click and then just click on create variant. All right. Now just go ahead and repeat the process to add more variants and then customize each variant right here in the properties section. Okay. And you will notice value 1, value 2. It's now your turn to define the properties. It'd be properties like the type, okay, or set different values for each property across your variants. There you have it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.